2019. This is a Nissan Sentra SV. As you can tell, I've been keeping it nice and clean. Now I'm basically debt free. I have no more debt when it comes to the car. This is my car. You can tell that I've been keeping it really nice, really clean. Check it out. Look at that. It's freaking amazing. All I needed was a car wash. I've had it for now almost maybe 4 years. Couple like that. Check this out, guys. This is amazing, dude. So amazing. Finally paid off my car. I am completely now debt free from car payments that I used to pay $460 a month. Now I have no payment. Increíble de que después de tanto tiempo este carro todavía se ve bien chingón, bien chido. Bien chido. Los rines todavía son de factory. Todavía están chidos, nuevos, limpios. Nuevos rines, como nuevos se ven. They still look brand new, guys. Brand new. Check it out. These are from the factory. Yes, the only thing I did change was the tires, because after 4 or 5 years, I mean, my tires got worn out, and of course I kind of drive a little bit fast. But look at that. Look at the rims, guys. Check out the rims. Look here. It's only after a couple of years. After a couple of years, I've only gotten these little scratches after 4 or 5 years. Look at that. I kept this car so nice, so clean, so amazing. Look at it. Mírenlo. Después de tanto tiempo que ya tengo como 4 años, se ve todavía nuevo. Nuevo. Nuevos rines, como si fueran nuevos. Miren. Miren, mi gente. Este carro lo ha cuidado y se ve como nuevo. So this is my car from the inside. It's a 2019 Nissan Sentra. Got this car only with 3 miles. I went to the dealership and I bought it and I got it, and it only had 3 miles on it. 3 miles. Nomás tenía 3 millas cuando lo agarré. Check it. Tiene su todo lo que necesita aquí para power windows, todos los 4, power locks, lock for the windows. Todavía sirve. Todo está bonito aquí en este carro. Everything is nice. Check it out, guys. I've taken care of this car, and this car has last me. It still looks nice. It still looks really good from the inside. A little bit more in depth. Check it, guys. I've even bought a little cover for the steering wheel. Look at it. It still looks brand new. It still looks brand new. After 2019, this car still looks really nice. Todo aquí sirve. Everything works. Everything works. I still got air conditioning. I only use it for, for the heat when it's summertime. Everything is still nice. Yes, I have stuff here, everything works here. Everything, guys. So I learned my lesson. It's better to buy a brand new car from the dealership than to buy a car from the street. But I don't know, that's my preference, guys. That's from what I've come to learn over my past years. And check all this out, guys. All this. Look at all this. Everything works, guys. Look at that. The visors still work. It still has all this right here that still functions. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing, guys. It still looks brand new. After years, I kept it really nice, really clean. Everything here still works. I don't have to push any buttons. Everything still works. You know, everything's still good. You know, everything's still good. It even has his for your sunglasses or for your prescription glasses. Everything's still here. Your holder. Everything still works right here. Todo sirve aquí. Todo sirve aquí, mi gente. Mire, todo sirve. Como nuevo. Let's start this car up. So what you want to do on this car, your 2019 Nissan Sentra, to start your car, you want to press on your brake. After you press on your brake, it's gonna say right here to press on that start and stop. So what you want to do is find it, start and stop, and it starts right up. This is your 2019 Nissan Sentra. You can tell how many miles I have right there. 50,000 miles after 4 or 5 years. Guys, I've taken care of this car. Look at all this. Everything works. Todo sirve, mi gente. Todo sirve. Everything works. It's a beautiful car from the inside. Beautiful car to drive. For everybody that's looking to buy a car, at the dealership, from what I can tell you, as owning a 2019 Nissan Sentra SV, I like it. I still take care of it. I love it. I am done now paying all my bills, debt free. No tengo ya más biles, ya está todo pagado. Ahora la que sigue es nomás cuidarlo, hacer su maintenance. Just make its maintenance and just keep driving it for another 4 or 5 years, 10 years, and keep getting money out of this. I've made money out of this car. Check it out, guys. I've done Lyft, Uber, whatever you can name, Instacart. I've done money. I made money out of this car. Yo he hecho dinero de este carro. Lyft, todas las aplicaciones, Instacart, Lyft, todo. Lo agarré del dealer. Desde 2019, cuando apenas salieron los 2019, este carro, yo lo compré, ya tengo 4 o 5 años. Miren, de todo sirve, todo sirve. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Everything works, my guys.
In your checking account. Did y'all see that?
Everything works, guys. Look at that. Everything works. Blowing air now. See, my guys? Check this out. Check it, check it. Everything. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll be making more videos on upgrading this car. This is the back. Look at everything. Everything is still nice and clean. Check that out, everybody. Check this out. Look at that. Still looks like it came out of the factory just a couple days ago. Look at that. It has 2 little spots right here where you can put a couple of things right here, and right there at the very bottom, it's for like your USB ports. Look at that, guys. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at the back. Still looks amazing.